hold it like this. And then you're gonna go the rectangle way.
Rectangle way. Right at the end.
Yep.
Okay.
And you're gonna fold it in half.
Rectangle way. Okay.
And make sure you've got the bright colors showing. So fold it inside.
The bright colors inside?
Outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I have
You got it. Yep.
Yeah.
Fold it again.
Hold it again.
That's it. And for this one, I like to tuck the fray edge in.
Hold it again.
Okay.
Tuck the fray edge in. Is it in?
Yeah. Just maybe fold it once more. So you've got it. Just there. Yeah. And then
Okay.
just like that. So it's nice and smooth.
Okay.
Smooth and soft. Okay.
Okay.
And then you're going to put it around your neck. And then you're going to just tie it. One end. Here. Okay.
Oh, already my fringe came out.
No, that's okay. You got it. So you're just going to go like this.
Oh, a little bit
And you
high.
want to keep it probably right like here.
Okay.
Okay, just above the bust. Okay, so you've got it like this. Now I'm going to take one end, and you're just going to grab that very point. So it's kind of hard to find it sometimes, but just take your time. Grab that one little point.
Just, I got two ends, right?
Here, so let
here's
one end go. Yeah, drop one. Yeah, so drop that one. Start with this one. And you take the point. You just want to grab the end.
Oh, both ends. Okay.
Nope, just
Nope,
one.
just one. Just
But
one.
here, let go for 1 sec, please. And then it's just twisted up a bit.
Oh, okay.
So you want to
Want
make
it
sure.
the outside. Okay.
Yeah, so it's outside and you've got all the colors. There. So you're going to grab that end here, this little point.
Okay.
And then you're going to do the same with the other end. Because sometimes it's so folded, it's hard to find. So you just grab it, just that little point, just like that.
Well, how come you found your point so fast?
Because I practice a little.
Oh, I've not practiced this one before, but this is,
Oh, look at your blue nails. It matches perfectly.
I'm a blue person.
That's it.
Okay,
And then you
now
just
I
kinda
pull
have to-
these out.
Yeah, you might even want to grab the other point because see how it's the. So grab that end. Just the 2 points.
Okay, grab
Yeah,
the
once you
other
get it. The
end.
first time is kind of like, ah, I got it. There you go. And
Okay.
now hold, yeah, so see how it's open, nice and
Yep.
beautiful? And then you take these 2 little points and you just tie them together.
I'm gonna be wearing this to church on Sunday. How's that
Oh,
sound?
that's awesome. That's it. It's a butterfly.
Or I might wait until the next week, which is the first Sunday in Advent, so then the garments are blue. And
That's
my
it.
dress is blue.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, no, I didn't tie it tight enough. It already loosened.
And you just put it away.
So you have to tie
can
a
edit
fairly
this, right?
tight knot.
Take your time.
Okay. Okay. Tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you put it like this, and then you just tuck it up. You put it over your shoulders. That's it. Oh, you want to practice again? Oh, really?
We're right in that main building where they're
I have to look in the mirror.
I know this lady. Come on in.
Oh, so I didn't get my